welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do this eye look. It's a glossy, like cut crease eyeliner. Today I'm gonna show you how you can do this look, and let's start the tutorial. I already prepared my base with some sprayed on freckles and some eyebrows, and I'm sorry for the big bold brows, but I just colored my brows so they kind of had to look like this because I got all the dye on my skin. What I'm gonna start with today is to use the black core crayon to do this really nice smoked out. It's not a smoked out eyeliner, it's a very sharp but still like very bold eyeliner. So first of all, I'm gonna see where do I start. I'm gonna do the line here first, the outline. So where do I want my eyeliner to be? I want it to be here. I'm gonna follow the shape of my eye. I'm gonna do this very bold. And as you can see, I'm using the angled brush to make it sharper right after, because when this crayon sets, it sets. So you have like 30 seconds to a minute to blend it, and then it sets and then you can move it. So it's really important that you blend it right away. And then I'm gonna go from the inside, and then I'm just gonna, draw the line all the way. And then I'm gonna cover my whole eyelid. So this is how I usually start, and then I go with the brush like this, and I just clean up the line to make it straight and sharp. If you feel like it's hard to create those sharp lines, you can always take the 305 brush and a little bit of concealer and just clean up. I always mess up when I make videos because I get like nervous, and it feels like you're under some kind of pressure when you do videos. So sharp lines and eyeliners are not my best thing on camera, actually. So I think it's kind of, it's pretty even, I think. I'm not sure, I haven't really decided yet if I'm gonna do like this glittery. Of course I'm gonna do glitter. Who am I? On top of this, I am gonna use Orphic from the Enchanted Secrets palette just to make it a little bit more interesting. And I'm all up for glitter every day. At least a little bit in the middle, I think it's nice. Then I can still keep it black on the inner and outer corners. And then I'm gonna use Fornex from the Infinity palette on the outer and inner corners just to set the crayon a little bit. Eyes are almost done. So I'm gonna apply some false lashes, and I'm gonna apply the Rebecca lash from Depend. So now for face, I'm gonna use the Infinity palette again just to warm up my face a little bit and apply some blush and highlight. I'm just gonna do it a little quick, and then we're gonna go to the fun part with the gloss, because the Infinity glass is what's gonna change the whole look. From this matte glittery madness to something more high fashion glossy loveliness. Just gonna apply a little bit of blush, not too much, and a little bit of highlight just on my nose and my Cupid's bow. Maybe gonna do a little bit on my cheekbones as well. As you may know by now, the Infinity glass is a gloss you can use on your eyes, you can use it on your face as a primer, you can use it mixed with your foundation, you can use it on your, did I say lips? But on the cheekbones, just like a little bit if you want this nice glow. So it's a multi-purpose gloss. You can also use it on your body if you want to have like high shining legs or like highlight the collarbones a little bit. And it's non-sticky and it doesn't clog your pores, so you can wear it even if you're very sensitive to stuff. So first of all, I'm just gonna apply it on my lips because I don't want a lip color to this. I just want like glossy lips. As a lip gloss, it looks like a normal lip gloss, but it's like non-sticky. It's so nice and it's so soft on your lips. I'm also gonna add a little bit onto my cheekbones. Just like dab it on a little bit like this. And then comes the fun part. Eyes. Just love a glossy eye. And to make gloss, like a glossy eye look on these kind of eyes are literally the best because it looks awesome. I'm gonna start from the inner corner and I'm gonna work my way out. So as you can see the difference from this eye to this eye. I guess that this makes me pretty much done with this look. I'm just gonna do a little bit of, because when you use the gloss, you can still change it up a little bit because you can move around with the eyeshadow and stuff, so you can make it even more sharp when you're using the gloss. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go in with the precision brush and I'm gonna sharpen those lines even more. So there's always one or more ways to sharpen up a line. I guess this is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I really hope you enjoy the infinity glass and that you're excited about the infinity glass. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!